Hello everyone, I'm Phantom2502 and welcome back to another episode of my Satisfactory Let's Play. Update 4. Let's see. How do I change that? There we go. Okay, just gotta bring the capture part down. Alright. This is episode 68. In this episode we are going to start our nuclear build, and I'm going to want to probably research like 3 things this episode. So let's start with nuclear so we can start getting buildings up. We'll select the milestone. Okay, we got to get supercomputers. Yeah, we have some of that somewhere over here. Okay, heavy modular frames, 200 of that. Okay, 1,000 cable, 2,000 concrete. Now let's put this stuff in first. Alright, and yeah, we need more. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. In case you're wondering why I have so little amount of concrete in here, is because I've been using it to set up our nuclear area, which I'll show in a bit. Okay, come on. That's alright. Yeah, it's gonna take time between.
Milestone reached. Uranium scanning unlocked. With the provided buildings and parts, you can now set up nuclear power generation, which balances an increase of fuel production complexity with improved power output. A new project part enables progress to the next phase. Note, this method of power generation creates nuclear waste.
Alright, duly noted. Okay, Aeronautical Engineering will do next, because we need sulfuric acid for nuclear setup. We will also have to make batteries for drone ports and drones, because uranium's so split around the map and in mostly areas that are hard to get with vehicles. The easiest thing to do is just to set up drone ports for them. So, and those need batteries. We still need sulfur anyway, so we'll get that next. Alright, ma'am. Frequency mapping's done, that's good.
The map has been unlocked.
And what do we have left? Radar and radio signal scanning. Oh, that's for hard drives. Alright, I don't think I can even do either any of these. 50 and 100 crystal oscillators. I don't even think we're close. No, we're not. Alright. I guess we can at least get what we need for that. And then you need... oh no, we already have tons of this. Casings though, we don't. 200 of that. And 300 motors, at least for the next step, in 12 minutes. Motors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, what do we need for the build. We need at least one refinery, at the very least. For sulfuric acid, we will need a blender. For encased uranium, we need an assembler. And that assembler might be able to actually be done in this area rather than the nuclear area, because that's for electromagnetic control rods. Then we kind of send the rods to the nuclear area from here, or from the oil section. Yeah, probably from the oil section. Needs deuterium. And then we need a manufacturer for fuel rods. And then obviously power plant. And it's going to need at least 1, 2, 3. Yeah, at least 3 is. Yeah, 3 extractors. Yeah, 3 water extractors. Minimum. Alright. Let's get some more motors. Let's see, what else do I need? Maybe a little bit more radio control units and some rotors. This episode's mostly going to be research based. Obviously I'm not going to get the crystal oscillator stuff till later, so I want to get 3 things researched. I want to get the aeronautical engineering done, and I also want to get the advanced aluminum production done. And see, we do have the stuff for them, so right, rotors. There. Alright, we have what, 9 minutes? I guess I can at least show you the nuclear area. I don't know what we're going to be able to do in 9 minutes. Of course, it helps if I get the vehicle. I showed off my Explorer yet? I don't know if I have. But anyways, got my Explorer instead of the tractor. A lot faster. It's like Cruella de Vil's vehicle. Alright, so nuclear section. So this is going to be completely completely have like nuclear all over the darn place. And radiation, I kind of don't want to disturb the natural scenery of the map, so I'm going to put it in a big void near the waterfalls over here. And another good reason to put it over here, on top of not radiating the map, is that there's a huge amount of water supply for the nuclear power plants. So as you see, I've been busy with concrete, making a huge area platform, and as you can see, I did get power out here, part of a nuclear power category. Alright, let's see, we will leave, I guess we leave 2 things over here, 2 things back here. Alright, so we have to put a refinery. Of course, we don't have sulfuric acid yet. So let's keep that there, I guess. Could bring it closer. I don't know. No, we're not. Yeah, you know what? We'll keep it closer. Yeah, we'll do one row down the side. We'll have to do some connections, so might as well leave two back. There, okay, so let's put that refinery there. And the next thing after that's going to be what? The blender. There, I guess. Alright, that's going to go with the middle. No, we got tons of space, or hopefully tons of space here. So let's work with it. Alright, so I get the turbo fuel blend, or yeah, in case it's uranium. So that's going to be uranium, concrete, and sulfuric acid. Obviously sulfuric acid we get from before. And then we push it into here, and then it does produce sulfuric acid, so you kind of do have to wrap it back a bit. Alright, what's the next building? Electromagnetic control rods we can get brought in from somewhere else. It's a non, doesn't involve nuclear. Technically sulfuric acid doesn't either, but it's a liquid and I don't feel like putting pipes all over the place, so bring it in with here. Alright, so next one would be the uranium fuel rod. So manufacturer. How much space? Maybe 2 blocks and then add it. There we go. There we go, uranium fuel rod. Beams we can bring in from somewhere else. Alright, the cells will be right behind here. Okay, so then it's the actual power building. I guess we'll go centered a little bit in this. We'll go with that. And I guess we can make several fuel rods and then kind of make a row of these. How much space do we have? Looks pretty big here. You have a little bit of space for these buildings, but looks like we have quite a bit of space for our nuclear. Thing is, after we do whatever nuclear setup we have, another thing we will at least need to have for now is storage for our wastes, and I guess we'll just do an industrial storage container. Things I don't know. I guess we could just put it. Because I don't know where to put it. Guess we just put it off to the side for now. Yeah. So it'll be temporary waste. It's 10 per minute. Yeah, it generates. Yeah, 10 waste per minute. I think they're in stacks of 500. So 500 times 48. 2400 divided by 10. Divided by 60. We're looking at 40 hours. So that's 40 hours of gameplay to get plutonium done. And then as soon as you get plutonium rods, instead of putting it in and using it for power, we can actually sink plutonium rods. And that is going to be the goal. We're just going to do the nuclear part and sink the plutonium rods. And if you're wondering, we're heading back to base so we can do research. Jump in! Yeah. So we get our next research going. I guess we could start some pipe connections and stuff. Oh, still 30 some seconds. Alright. Does it start coming down at 30 seconds? No, don't see it. Oh. Oh, there it is. Alright, let's get this researched. Oh, aluminum casing must have been used for something else. I didn't see it. I wonder what it was used for. It must have been used to build something. Alright, let's get some more casing then. There we go. Alright. Once we get this technology in the air, we can see how long it takes before we can get the next one.
Milestone reached. Aerial transport of resources is now possible with the use of drones, ideal for shipping across long distances or difficult terrain. Ensure the presence of batteries at drone ports for optimal results. A new project part enables progress to the
next phase. Alright, select milestone. Advanced aluminum. Alright. So I've got everything here except for wire and radio control units. $2,000, $3,000. So another 15 minutes. Alright, so do I have piping? A little bit. Yeah, I think having one stack's good. Oh no, we do need the other stack. Yeah, for building. Alright, we'll leave it like that. We've got 13 minutes. Guess we can go back and start making some connections. And as you see here, I've added a nuclear power switch. Yeah, nuclear power switch is connected to the nuclear power line, which is following this way all the way to nuclear. Explorer's fast. Also very agile. Got really good turning. Obviously, this area is built for expansion. We will keep going in the void over there until we hit the invisible wall, so kind of be in two sections. This section, there'll be another square section over there, and then we can build floors going downwards from here. Therefore, not really needing pumps from the water since we're even with the water line. We're going to put water pumps here, not for the nuclear here, but to transport into a local building area, I don't know, in here for the local resources in this area. Mostly the ones close to here. We'll divert the coal that we're using this side of the green fields to over here and basically enhance the other one with a level 5 belt. Obviously there's 2 Caterium lines, so we'll do some processing in here. Back there, but this entire section will be nuclear. Let's see, water. I guess we should maybe start with that. At least we have a line for it. Yeah, follow this, your water line. I guess you need water for nuclear, and we're going to need water for the sulfuric acid. Interesting. Dilemmas. Not sure what to make of it. Guess if we take the first part as water for over there, we can kind of maybe make a second part over here. I don't know, for other types of water. Not sure which one would be the best. Does this make sense through here or not? I think you could fit something over there. Okay, so we'll do our sulfuric acid one in here. No, they fix this? No. Don't tell me they changed this so that it's not deep water. Because in update 3 and 3.5, you could use literally everything around here for water. It was considered deep, even though it isn't really that deep. And you could walk in it. No, 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 no. Please say... Oh. Interesting. Okay, well... That's odd to say the least. Maybe I'm just too close to the waterfall when I was trying that? Not sure. Either way, as usual, once we're done this episode, I think I'll probably finish or at least finish part of the setup off screen. I mean, obviously we gotta add drone ports. Oh yeah, how is drone ports anyways? Alright, so that's a drone. And a drone port. Yeah, we're gonna need at least one of each of those, and I'll have to find a nuclear thing somewhere. Oh, see? Okay. Weird. Okay, so I guess it just can't be too close. Alright, interesting. Is this just gonna be too close to that, or not? Okay, why? Okay, it's weird that me jumping changes this. Yeah, I think it's too tight. I think we need to be one over. Extractor. Move this over to the most possible. Yeah, there's no way that's a full mount. As close as we can. So back it up slightly. There we go. Alright, water extractor. Another 4 minutes. So I'm going to put another water extractor. Not sure over here. Maybe we'll keep that one around and then kind of figure it out. Alright. I think we need, what, 3 over here? I can control it. 1, 2, 3. Alright, only a minute 15. Alright, so let's just go back and research the advanced aluminum production, and I guess I will at least try to complete the belting and stuff like that off screen. Or we might do batteries next episode. I'm not sure. Because the thing is, we're gonna have to get drones set up for uranium anyways, and drones will need batteries. There's also maybe switching out all the coal stuff for the vehicles for batteries. But you definitely need batteries for drones, so. Alright, let's just go finish this research and end the episode. Either way, I do want to make my way to plutonium as fast as I can. Because then I can sink the rods and I don't have to worry about waste. And I've calculated the power even with the biggest build, because we're doing 100%, not 250. We shouldn't need more than around 500,000 power anyways. So, since I think we can generate over 600,000 power without needing to go the plutonium power route, I think we can do our entire build without generating any wastes, which would be nice. Alright. That one. That one. That one. There we go. Final research for the episode.
Milestone reached. The object scanner can now find underground wells which can be pressurized to extract resources such as nitrogen, water, and oil. Nitrogen will contribute to more advanced aluminum parts.
Alright, and then we're going to put the leading edge production as the next thing, but we're obviously going to need to set up nuclear first and then set up some more builds before heading there, and then obviously plutonium will be last. So we're getting there. Then obviously it's filling in the space elevator for the next upgrade. Alright, Anyway, I'm Phantom2502. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.